Sharks are known as one of the most impressive predators in the oceans, and their dental structure is one of the most important features that makes them such successful hunters. Sharks have around 300 teeth, which they use to catch and tear apart their prey. But the most amazing feature of these teeth is that they are constantly renewed. Sharks' teeth can wear down or fall out within a few weeks, but this doesn't pose a problem for them, because every tooth that falls out is replaced by a new one. Sharks can produce thousands of teeth throughout their lives. This adaptation allows them to keep their hunting skills at their peak. This unique dental system makes sharks one of nature's most effective predators. Their jaws and teeth play a vital role not only in catching prey, but also in maintaining their habitat. This ability of sharks to replace teeth has also inspired scientists and led to many studies on tooth regeneration. The tooth structure of sharks once again proves their superior adaptability and evolutionary success in nature. Learning more about these magnificent creatures can help us understand the secrets of the depths of the oceans.